Akala niyo si Kim Kardashian, no? Yung tinitigan niyo, Kim Atienza lang pa. Okay, thank you so much, G-Force. Lagay mo na yung sa likod, huwag mo hindi papayag yan. Okay, uhulog-hulugan ko pa yan. Marami-rami pa akong bubuluin dito. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here! What's up, Bandar England? Ayan, nag-sink in na sa inyo na ako yung nasa harapan ninyo. Kasi kanina, nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, wala pa ako naghihiyawan kayo. Pero nung lumabas ako, parang nabigla, natulala. But it's okay, I fully understand. I understand. Alam kong hindi nyo inaasahan na ganito ako maganda sa personal. Diba? Pag nakatalikod ka, alam mo, heart evangelista, diba? Pagharap, cheese, escudero. Joke lang ha, joke lang. Komedyante ako. Mapunta kayo, nakakalimutan nyo yun. Komedyante. Oh! Diyos ko! May isa pang blandina. Did you get the memo? Only one blonde is allowed in the room today. Diyos ko. Kausapin nga natin ito. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Molly Palma from Samar, and I live here in Birmingham.
Oh. How long have you been living here in Birmingham?
I live here for the last 24 years.
24 years ka na dito, pero parang hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Okay lang yun. Diba? Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon nag-English kayo, lalo na kung kasama mo puro mga Pilipino din, mga taga-Samar din. Diba what do you do here in Birmingham? What is the nature of your existence?
I'm a registered nurse in the clinic. The royalties king and queen maker.
Beauty queen maker? Beauty? Nagtitrain ka na ng beauty queen? Eh, ba't oily ka? Dapat fresh yung mga beauty queen. No, it's okay. But I really appreciate your effort of, looking this fabulous today. We appreciate, I can feel that you are very excited to see all these stars from ABS-CBN. Are you having a great time so far?
Yes, so far, I'm very happy that I finally met you. Yeah. Actually, we have a common friend, Michael Cinco sa family.
Oh yeah, Michael Cinco? Is he your friend? Really? Why? Charot ang taray. Okay, nice to meet you. Yung mga Pilipino pa na dito sa Birmingham, amoy araw din. So, bakit amoy araw? Mahamog naman sa paligid. Okay, dito ako sa taas para mas makita ko maganda. Para hindi malugi yung mga nasa likod. You deserve to see this beauty. Thank you very much. Okay. This guy wearing glasses, he's been staring at me differently today. I assume he's not Filipino. You're not Filipino. You're British, sir? You're British. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, ay, maganda ako sa LA. You're British, and the woman beside you is your wife. Congratulations. I would like to personally congratulate the both of you, especially the husband. Excuse me. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, madam. What?
He came here to see me.
Oh. You came here to see me? Why? Do I look like your father? Does your father look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name? James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you Is that right, or is just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg, pull something else. Just kidding. Is it true?
That's true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I lived in the Philippines, I really enjoyed the shows you when you were.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I moved.
Every day?
Yes.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week, all days of the week? But it's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you see? Do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God! If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God! Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister, and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you? Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture. Ano ako? Bakit tourist pa? Nakita mo may kausap ako, di ba? Tapos pa-picture na, ginawa ko akong tourist pa. Okay. What? Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't feel serious. I only century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, this. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
Since 2013.
20, so ako pa magkukompute. 25 minus 30, 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it? Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active? What part of your married life is very active? Everything, oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week, no? Yeah, so, thank you very much for taking care of my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your life. The Filipinas make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinas are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing. You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. Alright. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. I love you, ate. Mag-ingat ka. Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon City.
Quezon City, tako tamang-tama, bahang-baha ngayon sa Quezon City. Buti na lang hindi dito. Ano ito? You're giving me a ring? I'm married. What?
Friendship.
Friendship ring? Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I'm not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you. I saw you 10 years ago in London, and you've come a long way. You're really smart, important.
Thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just? It's real. I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God! Perfect. I want the necklace also. It's perfect. Is it important to you? It's not important to me. You have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah. Thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila. Ay, bahating doon ngayon! Di ba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, di ba? Tumating ako dito sa London, slight na loka din ako, kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito. Ay, okay lang mag-uulan, safe naman kayo. Di ba? Eh sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, bahan-bahan. Okay. I love you too so much. Alam mo, kapal lang ako, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Bigla ko napag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Yeah! Of course! Oh. Bakla. sinabi namin ng artistang nag-perform, ako nang nabigyan ng singsing. Pa. Yes. Pagkano kaya sa langit ko? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, aga-aga nyo tumating, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy nyo as if we just started. Give yourself a big hand. Damang-dama kong energy. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung saan tuturo itong kamay ko, tingnan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Do you guys want to dance? Why did you go to the disco? Why did you go to the disco? Okay. So, kung saan tuturo ang kamay ko, gusto kong makita kung paano sumayaw ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa England. I wanna see how you guys move. Paano ba mag-party ang mga Pilipino sa Birmingham? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sa mga tao doon, ganyan na lang, hindi masyadong sumasayaw kasi may mahirap ng cellphone. Diba? Pero dito, iba daw mag-party ang mga Pilipino eh. Okay? Tingnan ko nga. So, patutugin nga natin ng saliw ng kanilang pagsasayaw. Kung saan tuturo ito, patingin lang ng sayaw ha. Patingin ng Kapamilya energy. Go! Matakot sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw. Sige, sumayaw ka! Shake it, huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Shake it, let's go! Yeah! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Let's go! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Yung mga nandun, shake it, come on, shake it. Sa likod, shake it, come on, shake it. Sa gitna, shake it, come on, shake it. Taray! Iba ang vitamins yata dito sa England. Tingnan mo, may mga senior citizens na pero sumasayaw pa. Sa Pilipinas, 16 years old pa lang, pagod na yung mga itsura. Si ate, okay. Gusto mong sumayaw? Ay, may ipapartner ako sa'yo para lalo kang sumayaw. Nasaan si Robby Domingo? Robby, pwede mo bang partneran itong si ate? Kasi iba siya eh, gusto niyang sumayaw. Pwede kang, pwede ka bang, makakaikot ba si Robby? Okay. Ano pangalan mo ate? Nemi. Pangalan pa lang, alam mo, chismosa. Nemesis. Nemi. Gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa England? 20 years na. Ano pong trabaho nyo?
Nurse po.
Nurse din. Ipinagbubunyi ng buong Pilipinas lahat ng Filipino nurses sa buong mundo. Lalo-lalo na ang mga Filipino nurses dito sa England. Ipinagbubunyi namin kayong lahat. Lahat kayo, mga mahuhusay na nurses, mararangal na nurses, mga nurses na may dignidad. Kaya maraming nurses ang nandito na nag-call in sick pero ang totoo wala pang sakit. Gusto lang nanood ng charot na. 20 years na po kayo. May asawa po?
Wala po, iwanan.
Ano po?
Wala po.
Wala po. Bakit? Kasi may plema kayo ang sinasabi. Kung dinura nyo agad yan, makahanda kayo mag-asama pa kayo. Lumipat sa kapitbahay o hayaan mo na. You deserve someone better.
I don't like anymore.
You don't like anymore. You deserve your love.
Wala kang showtime.
Talaga po. Sino po kung pinakapaborito niya sa showtime?
Siyempre po ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu.
Ah, yes! Siyempre, ang babanggitin ng pangalan kung sino yun nandito. Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Yung iba wala naman dito, wala naman silang babanggito. Sino po?
Talaga ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu lang.
Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Gusto mo ba maging mag-love team na lang kami ni Kim Chu? Pero bukod sa amin, pinunod ka din ng ASAP, gusto kong ipakilala sa iyo, isa sa mga pinakamauhusay at pinakagwapong host ngayon sa Pilipinas, Robby Domingo. Oh, Tinitigan mo, nahiya kang humawak, na sabi, ay, ang gwapo.
Opo.
Ang gwapo, di ba? Naalala mo bigla yung mga bagay na hindi mo na nagagawa pag wala na kayo sinasabi.
Siguro po, pero
Siguro po. Opo, si Robby Domingo po. So, kayo po ay sumasayaw.
opo.
Pwede po ba kayong sumayaw with Robby Domingo? Ano po?
Anong klaseng saya?
Kahit anong klaseng sayaw po. Kahit ano, kahit tanggalin mo yung bra mo, wala kang pakialam. Ay, mother, nagpipiro lang. Mother, dahan-dahan lang naman. Ayaw naman namin makakita ng dried prunes. Hindi ba kumakain na ibang tao? Ano po? Makamahubo? Okay lang. So, ready ka? Kahit anong klaseng sayaw, sasamahan ka ni Robby. Pag nagustuhan namin ang sayaw mo, may kiss ka kay Robby. Po? Yakap na lang. Ba't ayaw mo ng kiss?
Kasi
Oy, nalilibugan, nalilibugan, pipigil. Ano po? Wala nang asin. Okay na. Kumakain naman ng abdo yan. Okay yung pake. Okay yung pake. Okay, mother, pwede? Okay. Play!